The Faculty Development Framework is made up of 4 competencies that are essential to being a full-time or adjunct faculty member at TCC.
Diversity and inclusion is the mindset and practice of intentionally acknowledging multiple perspectives and engaging the diversity of learners in the classroom.
Outcomes-based education uses assessment of learning outcomes for the purpose of gathering data on student learning. The data is then used to fortify communication and collaboration among faculty, leading to continuous improvement of courses, programs, and the institution.
The scholarship of teaching and learning is the field of scholarly inquiry, which uses evidence-based research methods and reflection to investigate the relationship between teaching and learning.
Professionalism and reflection is about being of service to the institution, communicating clearly and effectively, collaborating, and actively reflecting on work responsibilities.
So what does that mean for us as full-time faculty members?
You will be asked to refer to the 4 competencies in your Faculty Performance Review portfolio for calendar year 2017 in the Professional Development portion. Using the table you find in that section, you list the professional development activities you participated in last year and connect each one to one of the 4 competencies where possible. To get a better sense of the competencies, refer to the Engaged Learning Faculty Professional Development Catalog, where you see the different offerings appropriately categorized. The catalog can be found on Engaged Learning's website.
Does this mean I can only use TCC's offerings for my professional development?
Engaged Learning is just one resource for faculty professional development. Other opportunities to work towards the competencies, such as attending or presenting at local and regional workshops and conferences, taking part in disciplinary association work, progress on an advanced degree in one's field, or active engagement with research, count as meaningful development of the competencies. Although this year you only need to refer to the framework competencies in the professional development section of your portfolio, beginning next year, you will be asked to refer to the competencies in the goals sections. You will be asked to set goals according to one or more competencies.
What if I change my mind in the middle of the year? I find a new opportunity that wasn't a part of my goals.
That's not a problem. If you choose to base your goals around 1 or 2 competencies, but then something changes, that's okay. Goals change according to different circumstances. Of course, using competencies to help you articulate goals won't be a concern until you begin creating the portfolio for calendar year 2018. As stated before, in the calendar year 2017 portfolio, you only need to refer to the competencies in the professional development section.
Hi, I'm Joe Schicky, Assistant Professor and Faculty Development Coordinator with the Division of Engaged Learning. We can also think about the framework as a shared language that faculty, chairs, and deans or program coordinators use in discussions about what makes an effective Tulsa Community College faculty member. To read more about the framework, see the catalog on the Engaged Learning website, which is searchable from the TCC main page. In the catalog, you'll also find a schedule of the semester's development opportunities organized according to the 4 competencies. If you have any questions about the framework or faculty professional development, reach out to me at joe.schicky@tulsacc.edu. You can also contact our office at engagedlearning@tulsacc.edu. Thanks for watching.